welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. National Weather Service issues Alaska's first ever heat advisory. Parts of Alaska will be under a heat advisory for the first time. It's not the first instance of unusually high temperatures in what many consider the nation's coldest state, but the National Weather Service only recently allowed for heat advisories to be issued there. Information on similarly warm weather conditions previously came in form of special weather statements. Using the heat advisory label could help people better understand the weather's severity and potential danger, something a nondescript special weather statement didn't convey. The first advisory is for Sunday in Fairbanks, where temperatures are expected to top 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Fairbanks has been warmer in the past, but this is unusual for June, officials said. The National Weather Service's switch from special weather statements to advisories was meant to change how public views the information. This is an important statement, and the public needs to know that there will be increasing temperatures and they could be dangerous because Alaska is not used to high temperatures like these. The change doesn't reflect unprecedented temperatures, with Fairbanks receiving reached 90 degrees twice in 2024, they said. It's purely an administrative change by the Weather Service. It's not that the heat in the interior that prompted Fairbanks to issue "this is record heat" or anything like that. It's just now there's a product to issue. While the temperatures in the forecast wouldn't be considered extreme in the US states, Thurman noted that most Alaska buildings do not have air conditioning. People can open their windows to allow cooler air in during early morning hours if wildfires aren't burning in blaze-prone state. But if it's smoky and the windows have to remain shut, buildings can heat up very rapidly. There's only been 2 summers in Fairbanks in the 21st century with no hours of smoke that reduced visibility, a situation he said was commonplace from 1950s to 1970s. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.